look at me, I'm
Hey guys, welcome to Revin Auto 717. This is going to be a little short video of the golf cart build update. Just finished working on it tonight, so I'm going to show you a little update on what we got done and what our plans are for it. So here we go. Here you go, guys. You can see got a little bit more done on it. Got the A-arms all done. Moved the pedal assembly over. Got shocks for the rear. Made this side on here. And then the seats will actually go right here. Got the motor mounted up on a extended swing arm. You can kind of see it's all gusseted and everything. Motor's all intact, ready to go. We got this all done here. So you can see that we put in some extra bracing here and just a little bit of a skid plate kind of. So we got that. Also bought a cheap, Harbor Freight winch, like 2,500 pound winch. So got that done. The front here you can still see we still have that all done. So that's all ready. Just got to mount the seats, which they're sitting over here. Just got to get these seats mounted up on there, which I think is going to look really, really nice. So the next thing is we're still trying to figure out how we want to do this rear end here. If we just want to do like a kind of like a loop here, or if you want to have it come down and then kind of go across. But I'm kind of thinking just having a roll bar come off of here and then go up and then come out and around. And then my thought is probably to cut this steering wheel down a little bit, just to probably cut a couple inches off, and hopefully that'll make it sit just a little bit better. I'm kind of hoping for that. So we'll see. It's definitely coming along really well. Put a little bit of touches here and there to it, so things are moving along really, really good. So I'm really happy with it. So we're messing with it here and there and getting some things done. So just want to kind of do a quick update on it. I know this video isn't going to be too long, but just wanted to kind of show you what we were working on. So I know I haven't done it for a while. So here you can kind of see how the front end's how it's gonna look from the front. It's gonna pretty wide with the tires. I mean, the tires will stick out probably out to here, and then you got the scoops right here. And we thought the scoops would help with the air getting to it, because we're probably gonna have this covered here. This is all going to be covered, so the air here will help cool the motor down. But that's kind of how it is. We're still messing around with it here and there, and got to get some more parts for it. So, but yeah, just wanted to do a quick update on this thing. Definitely coming along. It's just been a slow process right now. Just have so many projects going on right now. Just trying to get some things caught up. So I'm going to end it here and just kind of pull away that we can see it. There you go. You can kind of see it there. So I'm going to stop it here, and we'll see what we come up with in the weeks to come. So have a good one, guys, and please like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.